Nearly 8 million Canadians experience chronic pain. The prevalence of chronic pain is a major challenge for healthcare systems, clinicians, and patients alike. The current gold standard approach for managing chronic pain is a biopsychosocial one. My name is Dr. Emily Moore, and I'm a pain psychologist. Psychologists play an important role in helping patients navigate life with pain. We teach patients how to turn down the volume on pain, and we support the development of pain coping tools. If you're interested in learning more about pain management, please join me for my pain psychology workshop, where we will dive into cognitive behavioral therapy for chronic pain in depth and explore additional approaches that are gaining momentum within the field of pain. You'll leave this training with the knowledge necessary to begin implementing pain psychology interventions into your practice.